Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella Sun Luci kitchen. I'm thrilled to be here today to announce our 2025 recipe contest winners. This is my favorite part of the job. Creative, delicious, and fun. So you, please, enter our contest for 2026. And now let's get cooking. This year's grand prize winner is a delicious stuffed salmon. It's got the Mediterranean flavors of artichokes, spinach, sun-dried tomatoes. A Tuscan rub that we make goes on top. And then it also has shrimp to make a rich, lively, lovely dish. Congratulations to Chef John Klopfer for winning our grand prize this year. We're proud of you and we love this. Second place in the contest, wonderful ricotta and sun-dried tomato stuffed gnocchi. It's a classic and it's very simple with explosions of flavor like a grandma made it. So congratulations, Shelby Trusty. You have made one of the most wonderful potato pastas we've ever had. Congratulations. Our third place recipe, a spicy, smoky, south of the border beef enchilada. Tons of flavor in this dish, a marriage of flavors. We want you to try it at home, and we congratulate Chef Samantha Gaddis for her wonderful entry into our contest. Congratulations to our winners who will all receive this classic Le Creuset pot, and our grand prize winner, John Klopfer, gets $500. So please, you chefs, enter your recipes into our 2026 contest, and maybe you will be the grand prize winner here in the big, beautiful Bella Sun Luci kitchen. Buon appetito!